This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by mtwhite. Selling as is, where is. Sellers will make no repairs. Excellent opportunity in this tight housing market to own, rehab and enhance value for an impressive return on your investment, or make it your starter home in a vibrant neighborhood. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath home is located in Portsmouth near the Rivers Casino. Easy access to Interstate 264. Level backyard for family gatherings and cookouts. For more information, review the details below.